Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this bedside table lamp. This is also a Bluetooth speaker and wireless charger from Ampulla. So let's open it up and check it out because I think this is pretty cool. I mean, it's a speaker and a wireless charger. Yeah, let's play around with this, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to take it out of the package. Okay, so the first thing I see is the user manual. So you have your power cord. All right. So this is the device, guys. It's really nice. Really nice. It's really pretty. Alright, so let's run through all of the controls and connections so that you can see where everything is. So number one is your play pause button as indicated right there. So that'll be right here at the top. And then you have LED lights, which shows it's throughout this panel. So when you turn it on, you'll see it, and we're going to do that. Okay, number three, your wireless charging pad. So that's going to be this here. Okay, so number four is your stepless dimming control. So right here. Number five is your power socket on the back. Okay, right there. All right, number six is your charging indicator light. So that's going to be here. You see? Okay, so number seven is the Bluetooth indicator light. I don't see that, but maybe I need to plug it in because it looks like it's at the top. Or is it? Okay, I'm going to plug it in because, you know, there are lights that's going to come on, but you cannot see it without it being plugged in. So, oh, okay. Oh, I see it now. Do you guys see it? It's blinking. Alright, and next to that is the volume down, and if you press it for a long time, it'll go back to the last song. And then you have your volume up, number 9. And if you press it for a long time, it'll skip to the next song. Alright, so if you tap on this, you will see. Alright, so now we're going to talk about how the device works. So when you plug it in, this light will come on automatically, and to turn it off, all you have to do is press the stepless dimming control. So the dots here, you see? And as you can see, it comes with different brightness levels. So in order to control it, all you have to do is just slide your finger. You see how it's getting brighter? So that's a really nice feature. Okay, so we're going to keep it off for now because it's really bright and I want you guys to be able to see everything without the brightness like all in your face. Alright, so the next feature is the Goodnight mood mode. So all you have to do is touch the stepless dimming control for 3 to 5 seconds to activate it. And if you do any other operation, it'll exit the Goodnight mood mode. So let's see. Alright, so I'm guessing it needs to be on. So we're going to press it for about 3 to 5 seconds, right? Oh, did you see that? It just like lit up some. That lets you know it's activated. So after 30 minutes, this is going to turn off. And I'm going to leave it on and see if it's going to turn off in 30 minutes. So more than likely, I'll come back for that. Let's just go through the rest of the operation. Alright, so the next feature is the wireless charging. So it says to place your smartphone over the center of the charging pad. So here, let's see if it works or... Oh, it's working! Alright, so the last feature is the pairing lights of tree so you can play your music. So let's play around with the Bluetooth feature of this device. Alright, so it says to press the play pause button until the Bluetooth indicator flashes with a notification sound. So let's press it. Yep, there we go. Okay, and then it says to turn on the Bluetooth function on your phone. And you don't have to just use your phone. If you have like your iPad or some kind of tablet, your computer, anything like that that you're playing music from, or any kind of audio, and you want it to play through here, you can just connect it. So I'm going to connect my phone right now since I have it in my hand. I'm just going to go to my Bluetooth feature on my phone. Alright, so once you pair your device with the lamp, you can start playing your music. So let's see. I was listening to Sierra's new song, Level Up. I really like it. So I'm going to play. And it's working. It's coming from the lamp. Hey, hey, hey. Alright, let's turn it up some. Let's tap it, turn it down. Okay, if you want to skip to the next song, you just hold it down. Well, okay, I'm going to go back. That's going to repeat. And just hold it down. Go back to the next song. Pause. Play. Alright, so it's not going to get extremely loud. Like, you're not going to be able to hear this throughout your entire house, but that's not what it's made for. It's a bedside lamp. It's made to charge your phone and, you know, play your music or any audio that you want to be played right next to you. So if you're going to bed at night and you like to listen to some soft music or something, or even if you're using this in like a kid's room and you want to play some lullabies or anything like that, and it has the nightlight feature, so this will be great for a kid's room. It doesn't have to be so bright, so you can always, you know, adjust the brightness. So this is really great, guys. I really like this, and it's so cute. It is so cute. I love everything about it. I recommend it. It gets a thumbs up. I definitely recommend this, guys. If you want to get your hands on it, check the link because I'm loving this right now. And I just love that you can play music and charge your phone at the same time. Yeah. And oh, I was messing with the device, so I disabled the timer. So, and you know what I just noticed about this? It has like rubber bottoms, so you don't have to worry about it sliding around, especially on like glass. So that's great. That's really great. And the blue lights are going to shut off automatically after 30 seconds if there's like no activity to the top panel. See? It just shut off. And the battery isn't charged yet. It's not fully charged. It's at 69%. So I just put it back on there. 69%. I'm going to redo this, okay? Let me do this again and just leave it. All right, so hold it. All right, so now it is set. My battery is charging. It was at 69%. I'm going to wait 30 minutes again. So it's 1:33 right now. So at 2:03, I'll check it. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes and it's off. It turned off automatically. Let me check my battery. Let's see. I think I gotta put it back on here to see the charge. Alright, so the battery is at 80% now. So it's charging. The charger works. The automatic timer works. Everything works. Okay, so I just put it on my husband's side of the bed because he says he wants it on his side. He's always listening to music before he goes to bed. So, okay guys, so I just need to come in here really quickly and give you an update about the loudness of the speakers. I had my phone on low and then I was using the device, which is going to go as loud as it can get. But if you turn up the volume on your phone, then it's going to get much louder. So let me show you guys. I'm going to play a song. Okay, so you hear that much louder, right? Really great device they have here. And yeah, that's going to be it for my review. I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you have any questions about this device, so go ahead and leave it in the comments. And yeah, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not subscribed already, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.